Hey guys! In this video we are going to show you how to fix delete Snapchat account 72 hours problem. If you want to fix the delete Snapchat account 72 hours problem, here is how you can solve it step by step. First, open the Google Play Store if you are on Android, or the App Store if you are on iPhone. In the search bar, type Snapchat and check if there is an update button available. If yes, tap on Update to install the latest version of the app. This is important because many bugs, including login and account deletion issues, are fixed in the latest updates. Now, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will see your account details. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to enter the settings menu. From here, scroll down and select password. Enter your current password to confirm your identity. After that, set up a new password for your Snapchat account. This refreshes your login details and helps bypass errors linked to account deletion or recovery. If you are still facing the 72 hours issue, try logging out and back into your account with the new password. You can also clear the app cache by going back into settings, scrolling down, and tapping on clear cache. This forces the app to reload fresh data. In some cases, Snapchat may temporarily lock changes for security reasons, so waiting the full 72 hours might be required. But updating your app, resetting your password, and clearing cache usually fix the problem much sooner. By following these steps, you can successfully fix the Snapchat 72 hours account deletion problem and get back into your account smoothly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.